system or self-auto watering plants. So my hypothesis is that I think self-irrigation is better than most traditional watering methods, as it can save water and also can improve our crop yield, which is very important for us. And it could help new-time gardeners like me keep their plants alive. Now, let's go to the water charts. So this is the water. These are the water charts. So I have two plants. One is plant monitored by machine, and plant HM, human monitored. So I would see which one saved more water here, and based on how much water they saved and how much their growth progress was. So as you can see, these are plant HM by the human. It was like watered by my dad and everything. So on one day, my dad used 1 liter, and then this is mine, the plant MM, which is monitored by a machine. So this is watered like continuously through the days and everything. So in ML units, of course. So over the whole week, I saw that plant MM saved half a liter more than plant HM. So it watered half a liter, and then it had new leaves and everything. So it had like a little bit more improvement than plant MM. And the test was also for 1 week. So now these are like some pictures of how the experiment went. Okay, so this is basically how the experiment went and how like it looked like when I made it and everything. So now let's go to like the problem. There's like we of course have like a hard time watering their plants. Either we give too much water or too less water. And then there's also like these two problems. I noticed if I could make a self-irrigation system, I could like minimize these problems, which is good. And now, so then to prove this, I wanted to do a 1 week experiment. So these are the experiment rules I applied. The plants have to be the same species. All plant conditions should be same, so like where they are and everything. And then there's also like the test will last for a week, and then I will have to, by the end of the week, I'll have to observe the changes in both plants in both water and growth. Now let's go to my answer. What I'm gonna be doing this experiment. I am making a self-watering system. We will do a 1 week test with two plants. One will be monitored by self-irrigation, another will be monitored by a machine. Or aka by my dad. We will also look at the growth progress of each plant and see how much water was used. We will determine if self-irrigation better than most traditional methods based on our tests. Now, I would like to go to our results. So after I noticed that plant MMO, which was monitored by my device, it was slightly bigger, a little taller, and had more wider leaves, which was great. I also had monitored the water usage and had just half a liter over the week. A plant HM, it was healthy, but not as healthy as plant MM, and it used more water. Now, let's move to our conclusion. So in conclusion, is better in saving water and maintaining plants' health better than most traditional watering methods based on my experiments and tests. So this is basically my science trifold here. So now let's go to my project. This is how it works. So this is the soil monitor. So when the soil is down, let's say, when I notice that the soil is like under the level of moisture it should be, it sends signals. It tells the microbit that information, and then the microbit then commands the water pump to send water through here and everything. So that's how this works. And this is just like a demo model based on how an irrigation system would work. And then there's also some diagrams here I put. Then there are also some diagrams here I put to get a better understanding of the wiring and everything.